Hey, Sean.
You know.
You know what gives me the irrits?
What's that?
When you have to ring a large phone company and, you know, you always need to press 0 for the operator.
Yeah.
And you're bombarded with that cheesy, cheap on-hold music.
Yeah, yes, that's
I
true.
think folks should have some fun with it. Like,
Okay.
yeah, just subtly, just to see if anyone picks up. Like, you know, have some fun. Hold the line, Toto. Who are you? The Who? Bit of Kim Wilde. You keep me hanging on. Some Travelling Wilburys. End of the line.
Oh yeah, this is great.
And if you really want to mess with them, like there's like a 15-minute, you throw them a bit of Depeche Mode. Enjoy the silence. Like how many people just click?
You're joking about it, but this is not such a bad idea. Stop listening to that classic. You get on Centrelink and they just got mine. So I think he's onto something, folks. I've had my fill. That's great. Yeah.
I might go write that down.
You do. Sell it to someone before they actually get on it before someone sees this and takes it, mate. It's a great idea.